1965 Chevy C10. And we just did a whole system on it. That was the old system that was on it. It was homemade, as you guys can see. It's for a really good friend of mine, so we hooked her up. She's gonna restore this whole thing. And as you can see, we did a full FLOWMASTER system, long tube headers. It's got a 350 in it. Long tube headers there and there. Then 2.5-inch pipe into 2 FLOWMASTERs. Original 40s, part number 42441. There'll be a link in the description right there. And then 2.5-inch over the rear axle dumped. She didn't want to see it because she's gonna put a lift kit on it. So there it is. We'll let you guys hear it. It's really clean for the age of the truck. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. And now this will come down the back in the middle. Again? Yeah, that sounds a little better. That's a classic FLOWMASTER sound. Here's sound decibels on it. Oh, that sounds so nice. Again? That's much better. It's clean. She looks good.
We're going to redo her and put her on the lift. I don't know about the ruster.
But it's old. It gives it character. It sounds so good. She's clean for an old girl. Yeah, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside.